Unveiling the mystery of coleslaw, a delicious word journey. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Language Explorers series. Today, we're diving into a tasty topic: coleslaw. This word isn't just about food. It's a blend of culture, history, and language. If you're curious about what coleslaw means, where it comes from, and how to use it in a sentence, you're in the right place. Let's start by defining coleslaw. Coleslaw is a popular salad made primarily of shredded raw cabbage. It often includes a dressing, which can be vinegar-based or mayonnaise-based, and sometimes it contains other vegetables like carrots. But coleslaw isn't just a dish. It's a word that brings together different cultures and culinary traditions. The journey of the word coleslaw is as interesting as its taste. It comes from the Dutch word koolsla, where kool means cabbage and sla is a short form of salad. Over time, as it entered the English language, koolsla became coleslaw. This transformation is a great example of how languages borrow and evolve words. Coleslaw isn't just a dish, it's part of cultural traditions, especially in the Western culinary world. It's a common side dish at barbecues, picnics, and is often found in fast food restaurants. Knowing about coleslaw is not just about understanding a word, but also a slice of cultural context. Now, let's see how to use coleslaw in sentences. 1. For the picnic, I made a large bowl of coleslaw. 2. Do you prefer your coleslaw with vinegar or mayonnaise dressing? 3. Coleslaw is a refreshing side dish during summer barbecues. Notice how coleslaw can be the subject of a sentence or an object, depending on the context. And that's a wrap on our delicious journey through the word coleslaw. I hope this video has added a new flavor to your English vocabulary and perhaps even inspired you to try making coleslaw yourself. Keep exploring, and remember, every word has a story. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.